The 13th of July 2023 was definitely a big day for the cryptocurrency market, where you had a US district judge ruling that XRP, or Ripple Labs XRP token, was not a security. Well, sort of not a security. It wasn't quite as clear cut as that. You basically have the Securities and Exchange Commission taking Ripple Labs to court about 3 years ago, saying that the XRP token was a security, something very similar to the sale of a stock or a bond, and that the whole digital currencies and the crypto market should be completely regulated. Obviously, we know that that is not what the cryptocurrency ethos and idea is all about. It's all about deregulation and all the blockchain technology. But this ruling really might set the wheels in motion and make life a little bit rosier for cryptocurrencies. After this ruling, literally within seconds, you saw XRP take off and head towards the moon, which is what everybody thought cryptocurrency would do. COVID era, that everything would just keep going to the moon. It continued up, and it went up by about 80% the day of the ruling. That said, it isn't quite as clear cut as that. Basically, what the judge was saying was institutional investors who basically will buy in at the very beginning of a token being created, look through all of the information being provided and identify that it is security-like. When it then goes on sale to the public, which is normally going to take place after that, so you get institutional investors and venture capitalists buy in, give them some money to then continue to keep developing. You then move into sale on an exchange, and Mr. Joe Public possibly doesn't understand what a security is or any of the detail. He just goes on, presses the button and buys the XRP token. That was seen as not being a security. So we get the balance on both sides. Those people with knowledge potentially is, those that don't, it isn't. What does this really mean going forward? The Securities and Exchange Commission, so Gary Gensler and the SEC, taking some of those big exchanges to court, basically claiming that they're marketing and selling unregulated, unregistered securities to the public, and that this isn't what should be happening, and that there should be all of this regulation so that we can track where all the money's going, because people are going to use crypto for illegal means. SEC are taking a number of the exchanges to court at the moment, so they have filed against Coinbase and Binance, and I believe Gemini as well. Everybody's possibly jumping for joy that this ruling sets a precedent and sets some case law, but I think each of these cases will be taken on their own merits. But the good thing is that this has lifted some of that doubt that there was on the Ripple side of things, and has started to open up the whole crypto market again, and potentially we see some growth in that. I don't think it's going to go mad like it did back in 2020, where basically you could buy anything and it would make money. I think people need to be a little bit more cautious as they move forward. But there is also that little bit in the back of everybody's mind about crypto. We've had Celsius collapse, we've had FTX collapse, Sam Bankman-Fried, and all of the controversy going on about all of those cases that are running in the background. And then we also have Binance in the news as well, with complaints against them and all the trials coming up. So I think still a little bit of a difficult time for crypto moving forward. I think there will be some form of regulation, and I do think some form of regulation will be good for the market and the industry. It just gives people that little bit more certainty that what they're buying into is safe, well, as safe as any kind of investment can be. What I would recommend is, if you are looking at dipping your toe into the crypto market, do some due diligence and research before you go and have a look at it, and make sure that you are happy to lose any money that you're going to be putting in, because a lot of people have in the past lost everything that they've put in. If you want me to do some further videos on some different coins, some different platforms that you can buy on, I'm more than happy to do that. Drop some comments down below. And actually, where do you think XRP is going to finish? Do you think it's going to go to $1, $1.50, $3, $5? Love to see comments down below. So should we all be celebrating? I'm not sure on that. But why don't you go and have a look at some of these videos on some of the normal things that you'll see me talking about, the stocks and ETFs, because I do feel they are a little bit safer than going into the crypto market. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.